Hi guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to set the time of your Soundpeats Watch 2. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel, and for today's videos I'll be showing you a quick tutorial on how to set the time of your Soundpeats Watch 2, especially if you are a new user. So all we have to do guys is we're going to scan this QR code here. Okay, just open your camera or any QR code application, and let's scan the QR code. Okay, so it says there's soundsoul.com, so let's tap on that one. Okay, allow while using app. So in my case guys, is I actually downloaded the Soundpeats Live. So this is the official application of this Soundpeats Watch 2. So we're just going to download, and after that you're going to open that one. And if you are a new user, you have to register. So after registering guys, so you will be directed to this homepage here. Okay, let's tap on add device. Okay, and it detected Soundpeats Watch 2. Let's tap on that one. Okay, so allow while using application. And as you can see here guys, so receipt of mobile phone binding request, so let's tap OK. Bluetooth pairing request, so tap on pair, allow. Alright, so after that one guys, as you can see, the time is already set. It's 9:33. Okay, it's just very easy guys. So if you have any questions, just comment down below, and then if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.